Did you know that you can recover files including photos, videos, and music that you recently deleted? Let me show you how to do it. Make sure that you watch this video until the end because I'll be giving a bonus tip at the end of this video. Okay, let's get started. If you want to recover videos and photos, click on the Photos app or any other video app. Now, under this pop-up, look for Library. Okay, there are very many options here: Favorites, Utilities, Archive, and Bin. Look for the bin. Okay, these are the photos that have been recently deleted, but I want to recover just 2 of them. Select this one. I'll restore it. I'll also restore this one. See, I've already restored the photos. Okay, this is the other bonus tip that I was talking about. Go to the file manager. You see my file manager have 64 GB of internal storage. I'll just click on bin. Oh, these are the 2 photos that I've recently deleted, but I want to recover all of them. What do? Just select them and I restore them like that. If you cannot see these options, go to the Play Store and download the advanced file manager. This will allow you to recover even the files that you've deleted permanently. Thank you guys.